So here's a quick video of the 135i completely stock, the 2009 with the N54 engine. It's the E88, which is the convertible. So a few late night pulls, don't mind the shakiness. I had the GoPro like on a really long mount, so it added a little bit more vibration. I wasn't going too crazy with the shifting. The car is in immaculate condition, super low mileage. I barely drive it right now. It's got 13,000 miles on it, so I'm not looking to abuse it. The engine and exhaust also is mic'd up on this car. It's something I like to do. I have a playlist I'll link up here too with other cars that I've done this with. Again, the car's completely stock, so there's not a ton of sound coming out of it, but I did have a mic by the exhaust and one under the hood. And I tried dialing it in. It was the first time doing it on this car, so it's not the best, but what you're hearing is actually the engine and exhaust being mic'd up, and then I synced it and tried to level it to the best that I could. If I keep it long term, then I'll go ahead and probably modify, go with like an MHD tune and get more aggressive with it. But this was just more like a casual midnight cruise just to see how she feels, just to open her up a little bit since I haven't driven her. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more on the 135i, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think of this video and what else you guys want to see, and catch you guys soon.